Hello friends, hopefully you all will be fine. Today I got a new website for all of you. You can sign up here very easily. Here I got two options, sign up and sign in. If you have account already account, so you have to choose sign in option, and if you don't have any account, so you have to choose sign up button. If you want, I am going to leave my referral link in description, so you can choose select you can click on the link and go on this website very easily. Now I am going to show you how you can sign up on this website. Go to sign up button and click on it. Here we go to options. If you want to sign up with your Facebook, so you can choose this one. If you want to sign up with Google account, so you can choose this option very easily. Since I have already account, so I am going to sign in on this website. After that, I will tell you in detail how you can earn money on this website. Now I am going to sign up with Google. Now we have reached in our website very easily. This website don't have any restricted areas, so you can check the balance 375.5 gram. So you can check the price of 1 gram. So if you want to increase your earning speed, so you have to use your referral link. First of all, you have to increase your referral as much as you can. You can see 39 total invited of mine referral. Here is your referral link, so you can share this referral link as much as you can. You can earn here gram by watching video. Short video. This video is maximum about 1 minute, so you have to watch this video fully without do any inappropriate activity. So you can watch this video and every video on this website, so you can earn. Here is your earning gram. So I am going to show you how you can withdraw on this website very easily. Go to withdrawal. Here you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Mastercard, Visa, PayPal, American Express, Pioneer, Payer, Skrill, Nettler, EcoPays. So you can choose any of these wallet address. You have to put here wallet address and you can withdraw your amount very easily and quickly. After see video, you can see that how much easily you can withdraw your how much easily you can withdraw your earning from this website. Now I am going to check FAQ. It's mean that how much you have gram on this website to take your first withdrawal. I am surely used this website a lot of month ago. So if you want to take your work easily, so you can choose this website for your earning. Here we have what is the minimum withdrawal on this website. So you can check here. Today it is 500 gram. If you have 500 gram on this website, so you can take your withdrawal very easily. After all, so you can choose free if you want to take your gram on this website. They give us on daily basis, they give us 500 roll on 5 roll on this website. After you can check time, 44 minutes left for my next roll. You can roll here and you can see how much gram you can earn from this website. I have 52.7 gram earn on this in these rolls. So if you want to deposit on this website, so you can choose this and Now you can choose this one to enter your amount and deposit it on this on your own favor. I am not going to assure you that you have to deposit on this website. If you want, if you like my video, then click thumb button and immerse your opinion in the comment section. And if you want to get more videos on my websites in my YouTube channel, so you have to subscribe my YouTube channel so that I got more videos on this for all of you.